Minute Make Time!
Hey, it's Minute Make Time! Here's what we're going to make today. A cup nose. Oh, and I knows this is going to be a good make because it looks like a dog's nose. Now, to make this, you will need a pair of scissors, a sharp pencil, a black pen, 2 pieces of wool, a ball of modelling clay, a fluffy pom-pom, a paper cup, some card and a glue stick. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Well, I think I can do it, but I'm going to have to move very, very quick. But don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Let's make it in a minute. Get the paper cup and a ball of modelling clay and a sharp pencil and make a hole either side like that. There's one hole.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, don't you worry, Toki. And a hole on the other side like that. And then we're going to get our pieces of wool and poke those through, one through that side, like that. Come on, through you go. There we go. That's it. And I'm going to tie a knot here, like that. That's on one side, and then tie a knot on the other side.
Halfway there!
Halfway already? Goodness me. Just tie a knot here. There we go. Right, now get some glue. Put that on top and put the pom-pom on top there. There, that's that done. Now we're going to draw a tongue on a piece of card, like that. And then very carefully cut it out. Oh, gotta be quick. There we go, round we go. And then I can glue this on to our dog cup. I did it!
Only just!
But if you've got more than a minute, you can paint and decorate your cup nose however you like. Oh, I painted this one in brown, just like a dog's nose. Oh, and look at this one here. It's painted like a stripy tiger's nose. Ooh. Or how about a mouse with whiskers and a pink nose? Ooh. Cup noses made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Carefully make 2 holes in the sides of a paper cup with a pencil. Push wool through the holes and tie a knot. Glue a pom-pom onto the top of the cup. Draw a tongue on red paper, cut it out and stick it onto the cup, and your paper cup nose is ready.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute?